SQL Server Inventory Manager by IDERA is a database management tool designed to help organizations keep track of their SQL Server instances within their environments. It provides the capabilities of inventorying, documenting, and confirming basic health statuses of your SQL servers. To make the most of this tool, when you have requests for information about your enterprise's instance count, data size, and licensing concerns, consider looking at the reports that come with Inventory Manager, as they are easy to use and help share details of your environment with coworkers and upper management. SQL Server Inventory Manager includes a report utility that can be used to deploy reports out to your SSRS instances. To use the report utility, simply go to the file system where SQL Inventory Manager is installed. Look for the default location, which should be in C Drive, Program Files, IDERA, SQL Inventory Manager, and then Report Utility. From here, right-click and Run as Administrator to bring the utility up. Once the utility is up, provide the credentials to connect to the repository for SQL Inventory Manager, as well as the credentials that have Content Manager rights on the report server. Then progress through the wizard and select the reports that you would like to have published. Typically, I would publish all of these reports and go through the process of pushing them out to reporting services. I've already done that, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to the reporting server to show you what you can expect to see. Once you're in reporting services, navigate to the SIM folder. Here you can see the published reports. So SIM chargeback reports, the sub chargeback report, health check report, inventory report, and licensing report. The licensing report provides an overview of the SQL Server licensing information of the instances being managed within SQL Inventory Manager. This report displays information on core count, edition, and version of SQL Server. There's also a health check report, which will show you what health checks have failed on any of the managed instances. This will show you the critical health checks, the warning and informational, and of course you can filter based on instance tag, database tag, or severity when you're generating these reports. Also, all the reports are printable in different format, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF. If you're looking for all the SQL instances that have ever been discovered with Inventory Manager, that's in the SIM inventory reports. This part of the report pack will show you all the different types of discovered instances, whether they be discovered, ignored, managed, or decommissioned. Again, the report can be saved or printed as needed. And the chargeback reports are the last set of reports that we'll look at. There's two different ways of looking at the chargeback reports. You can look at a chargeback report that's enterprise across all your servers that are managed, or you can look at a chargeback report down to the individual instance. Either way, it's going to show you the databases and the data sizes of the databases across those instances. Here you can filter by version, by edition, and tag, and of course you can expand out the instance that you're interested in and see all the databases underneath it, like so. On the other hand, you can go to an individual chargeback report and select an instance by itself. So let's say I want the SIM chargeback sub-report, and I want to run that against the instance I'm on right now. This will show you the databases, data size, and log size associated with all of the databases on that instance. Now keep in mind, within Inventory Manager, you don't necessarily have to run the reports. You can explore all the different views within Inventory Manager and export them out as needed as well. So for example, if I wanted to go to the Instances view and wanted to go to, for example, The managed instance view or the decommissioned instance view or discovered server view. In any of these views, you can select the servers that are being shown and publish that information in PDF, Excel, or XML format, and you can use the filters to build a better view.